You're watching How Leap. Let's upload HD videos on Facebook. First, ensure your video meets Facebook's HD requirements. Record or export your video in at least 720p resolution. Open the Facebook app, tap the What's on Your Mind. Post Composer, tap Photo Video and select your HD video file. Before posting, tap the three-dot menu or gear icon on the video preview. Look for a quality or HD option and select Upload in HD or the highest quality available. The exact wording varies. If you don't see this option, go to your Facebook settings first. Tap the menu, go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, then Media and Contacts. Tap Videos and Photos. Ensure Upload HD is turned on. Now, when you upload, it will default to HD. Also, use a strong Wi-Fi connection for the best HD upload. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.